Say hi, Caitlin.
Hi.
Hi. Say hi, Caitlin.
Hi.
Hi. We are on a MySpace.
Yes.
It's not your space, it's mine. Is that
Actually,
right, Caitlin?
it's more like MySpace.
No.
My MySpace, so.
It's MySpace, not your space.
Yeah, it's MySpace.
And she's talking to her friend Bethany. And she's my new best friend.
Okay, well, Bethany?
Yeah, she's my new best friend.
Bethany's everybody's best friend.
She's awesome.
Yep.
And look, there's like this calculator thing. It says, hi, I'm Josh Hollister.
Josh Hollister. Wow, Josh, I gotta tell you something.
I know a Josh.
Very ugly.
Yeah, we think he's ugly. Right, Caitlin?
Yes, we
Yeah.
will. And he's like 100% gay.
And he's 100%
Yeah.
gay. Isn't that nice?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. It's awesome.
Dennis got off.
Yeah, Dennis got off her new lover. It's true. I don't have one because he's gay. Seriously, he came out of the closet last year. It's true. You can look at all his pictures. They have his best friend.
Say that about your friend. Dude, Tim's idol again.
Tim's idol. Did you know that? And those are pictures of someone.
Boy, that's Josh.
That's Josh Hollister. No, that's
Like the jeans.
I like the jeans. Look, see they have rips in them. For his new boyfriend. Yeah. Okay, he's feeling flirty. Did you know that?
Not with me.
Of course.
With other guys though.
You like my pinky, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's gonna eat you. Mwah.
Oh my god, let's see.
I've drinking too much Faygo.
Yeah. Ew.
Is it done?